Hello there my tubes, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Bliss. How you guys doing today? So I'm so excited about doing today's video because this is something just slightly different from what this channel is primarily about, which is everything hair. But you guys know every now and again I throw you guys with a couple of sprinkles of something else different but still within the beauty health range. So I'm sure you guys probably already know about So I'm sure a lot of you guys already know about the thumbnail, what this video is going to be about, y'all. I think this is one of my new favorite products. Y'all, I think this here is one of my new favorite products. So let's go ahead and let's just give a initial review about this product. Anything pertaining to this product where you want in-depth information, I highly recommend that you research for yourself. The information that I'm going to give you is just going to be borderline information. Again, this is just an initial review. I am not a dermatologist. Okay, I'm no skin specialist. I'm only sharing with you something that I enjoy using, and you may like it too and may want to go out there and get your own. Okay, so let's get it. The reason that I decided to purchase this product is because you guys, none of us are getting younger. We're all getting older. We know that the ozone layer is not what it used to be. The sun is much hotter, and I just want to protect and shield my skin. Y'all, I'm out all the time, so it's very important that I use a good SPF product that's going to protect my skin, especially my face. Okay, so that's why I decided to purchase this particular product. So the brand of this product is Neutrogena. Yes, this is a Neutrogena product. You know, a lot of their products are surrounded around healthy skin, fighting against acne, things of that sort. So the name just speaks for itself. This is a sunscreen protectant. It is an SPF of 70. Okay, that was the second reason why I purchased this product. Okay, the next reason that I purchased this product, because the title under the name speaks for itself, is an ultra sheer. Look, ultra sheer, and guess what else? It is dry to the touch. Now that could be a good thing or a bad thing. It just really depends on each individual. So it depends on you. Okay. The Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunscreen Lotion with broad spectrum SPF 70. Get powerful sun protection without the heavy finish with the Neutrogena's Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunscreen. This lightweight sunscreen absorbs fast for a clean, ultra light feel and non-shiny finish. Formulated with Helioplex technology, it offers superior broad spectrum protection from aging UVA rays and burning UVB rays. Lightweight and PABA free. Fast absorbing and non-greasy feel. Non-comedogenic. Won't clog pores. Helioplex technology delivers broad spectrum UVA, UVB protection. This product is science-backed, formulated with unique Helioplex, a sunscreen technology with superior broad spectrum protection from skin aging UVA rays and skin burning UVB rays. Dry to the touch, feels clean and light, goes on easily and absorbs instantly for an invisible weightless feel on your skin. Leaves a non-shiny finish. The oil-free formula leaves a non-greasy matte finish, so your skin is shine-free, won't clog your pores. This product is considered to be #1 dermatologist recommended sun care brand. It is used most often by dermatologists for themselves and their family. A key step in your daily routine when you use as directed with other sun protectant measures. SPF can help decrease the risk of skin cancer and early skin aging caused by the sun. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it in a nutshell. So let me just break it down just a little bit more. This is a 3 floral ounce, so it's not big at all. Okay, it's not big at all. This is a very small tube of this product. This is a lightweight, clean feel, oxybenzone free, water resistant, 80 minutes. Okay, easy to apply. You just pretty much put it on, but include it in your skincare routine before you leave the house. That's very important. Okay, so this is the top, you guys. It's nothing special about the top. It's just your regular twist top. Okay, once you open it, then this is what it's going to look like. Okay, so it's just a little hole here. Next, you just squeeze it as needed. Okay, get as much or as little as you feel you need. Now it said it's ultra sheer and it doesn't leave a white residue. Y'all, when you rub it in, it dries almost instantaneously. Okay, as you guys can see, I do not have any white residue. This hand doesn't have the product. This is the hand in which I use the fingers to apply the product. This is the hand with the product. So no residue left. Let's get into the smell. I know a lot of times when it comes to sun protectant or sunscreens, they usually have this distinctive smell. You'll always know when someone has it on because it's just that, it's that smell. It's the smell. Okay, let me say to you guys, yes, this product does have that sunscreen smell. However, it is not a very strong scent as your normal sun protectant or sunscreen that you would typically use. You can still smell it, but it's just extremely light. Let's jump into the price point. When it comes to self-care, there should not be a price point on your self-care. However, realistically, I know that everything has gone up. So I say all of that to say, this particular product I caught on sale for $7.99. 3 floral ounce little container for $7.99. The typical price for this product ranges about $9.99. Now keep in mind, depending on where you live, geographic location plays a big part in determining how much it may cost where you live. You can find this product at any major grocery store. That's where I purchased mine. You can also find it at any major drugstore where you live, or you can always go to the Neutrogena website and find it there. Is this a repurchase for me? I have to say, yeah, absolutely. So far, yes, it is a repurchase for me. Reason being is because I do like that it's lightweight. It doesn't leave a white residue. It goes on sheer. It's lightweight. The smell of the sunscreen isn't strong at all. It's extremely light. And I purchased this product specifically for my face, although you can apply it on other parts of your body in which the sun will bake. So yes, this is a repurchase for me. I absolutely like it. You should highly consider it. And that concludes today's video. I'll see you tubes in the next one. Smooches.